We are in Lake Tahoe, Emerald Bay, and we are with our friend from college. Welcome to Lake Tahoe.
Thanks for the day.
Kanan, Mommy, and Jaja, and Fernand. Oh, be careful. Madulas ang snow.
Thank you for welcoming us and bringing us
This is Emerald Bay, and that little island is Fannet Island.
Hello! Lake Tahoe! Nakarating ako dito. Ang layo-layo.
Ito raw ang fixed stop.
Ito raw ang fixed stop.
Fixed stop po yan, mga 30 minutes.
Hi! Nasa Lake Tahoe. Yeah! Ang layo! Ang lamig! Ang ganda!
Parang hindi kayo galing sa Canada.
Hi! We're here! Where are we? Lake Tahoe!
We are on our way to Sand Harbor!
Hi! Nevada.
Ito na kami sa Sand Harbor. This is Jane, College Barkada. And last time we saw each other, 2019 in Canada. And now we are in Nevada.
Hi!
Hello!
Hi! Magsaswimming kami! Kahit malamig! Kaya lang wala kaming bathing suit!
Enjoy your merienda.
Hi! Thank you!
Enjoy.
Thank you.
You're welcome po.
Sa ganda ng ano.
Bon.
Eh, ito sila pinupo mo eh. Pwede lang po siya lamig sa amin. Oh, ayan na yung mula.
Photographer and driver. Soup time. This is
Combination is beef noodles.
crispy
something.
ribs with rice,
Crispy something without the soup.
fresh spring roll,
Without the gravy.
and beef. And I'm having grilled pork. Enjoy your meal. Enjoy your meal.
Hi, thank you for the treat.
Oh, you're welcome. Enjoy. Enjoy. Last stop. Wait.
Kain mo na.
You're welcome po. Thank you for visiting us.
Ay, see you again. Babalik kami.
After ng NCLEX.
Nag-inom ba kayo?
Oh, syempre.
Akala maganda boss.
Nagbagong buhay na.
Nagbago buhay na ko.